In this video, I want to talk about how you can add your sitemap.xml to a Shopify store. Now the good thing is that Shopify will automatically create and upload one, so you don't have to do this manually, but what you have to do is, if you want, you should go to and submit it to the sitemap on Google. Now if you want to check your sitemap, what you want to do is just type in this address and replace your store name .com with your actual domain name. So let's say my shop is called digitalsolved.com. I would type this digitalsolved.com /sitemap.xml. And what you want to make sure is that you submit it and verify it on sitemap on Google. So just Google for Google Search Console and press start in there, and you should be able to add and verify your domain. In the left sidebar, click on sitemaps and just enter this one and click submit. Now once you've done this, Google will now automatically index your Shopify, and that's basically how that works, guys. So keep in mind, Shopify automatically makes your sitemap, and you can visit it by going to the domain. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.